Okay, we're doing PV standard. Now, to do that, we basically had to get two different stats, set them both up as auxiliaries. Can you see both? That one there. Yeah, okay. You can basically set them up as auxiliaries, one for flow and one for external temp. And then we modified our setup here for Logic Box 8. It had the 0 to 10 volt output on it, and we put in our various different settings in there. Obviously, this has nothing to do with any other zones or whatever. It's simply controlling or open and closing the 0 to 10 volt based on the two temperatures. Now, the first thing we did was we put it into monitor and verified that the calculations were correct for all the various different settings against a spreadsheet that we'd done up there. It's there in front of you if you want to have a look at it. But everything was calculated perfectly. So the next thing then was to actually leave it go into monitor and see how it adjusted to the max and the min, and make sure that it truncated or the cutoff was done right. And also when it found its temperature, right now we have a flow temperature of 32 and a calculated flow of 32, and we're held at a DAC of 210, and it's been held constant at that. So basically, it opens, it closes, it goes through its small steps when it needs to, and then it goes through its larger steps as well when it needs to, depending on the deviation it is away from the required calculated temperature. All working well. This is a pass.